In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to Classic Workspace in AutoCAD. If you prefer the familiar toolbars and menus over the modern ribbon, switching to the Classic Workspace can make your drafting feel more streamlined. Let's walk through the process clearly, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by looking down at the status bar in the bottom right corner of your AutoCAD window. You'll see a small gear icon there. That's the Workspace switching menu. Go ahead and click it. This menu shows the available workspaces on your system. If you see AutoCAD Classic in the list, simply select it. Your interface should update right away, replacing the ribbon with the traditional menu bar and toolbars. That's the quickest path if Classic is already available. If AutoCAD Classic isn't listed, don't worry. We'll switch it using the command line. Click into the command line at the bottom of your screen, type Workspace, and press Enter. This puts AutoCAD into workspace management mode, where you can control and switch workspaces. Before changing anything, it's a good idea to preserve what you have now, especially if you've customized your current layout. Type Save and press Enter to save your current workspace first. This is optional but recommended because it lets you return to your current setup later with a single switch. Now, to actually switch to the Classic layout, type WSCurrent and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to choose the current workspace from a list. Select AutoCAD Classic. As soon as you confirm the choice, the interface will switch over to the Classic look, bringing back the menus and toolbars that many long-time users prefer. A quick recap. First, try the gear icon on the status bar and select AutoCAD Classic if it's listed. If it's not, use the command line by typing Workspace and pressing Enter. Optionally save your current setup, then type WSCurrent and press Enter and pick AutoCAD Classic from the list. If the change takes a moment, that's normal. You're asking AutoCAD to reconfigure the interface. Once it's done, take a second to look around to make sure it fits your workflow. And keep in mind, availability can vary by version and installation, so if Classic isn't present, it simply may not be included in your setup. That's all you need to switch to the Classic Workspace quickly and confidently.